Hey guys, what's up? Rodolfo here, and today we start designing this app. So as I said in the previous video, if you haven't watched it, it's linked here. But as I said in that video, we're gonna build an app from start to finish, and it's going to be a TV tracker kind of app. And here's how we are going to start this. I have an iPad here with pencil. You don't need to have one. You can do this with a regular paper and pencil. I'm going to use this just to sketch out the idea, like to organize my thoughts of how the interface, how things are going to work. And after I'm done with that, we're going to InVision Studio to design the actual app. So let's get started. Okay, so we're done sketching the first two screens, and the good thing about the iPad is that I can throw the sketch on Apple Notes in one monitor and work on InVision Studio in the other one, and get the two side by side and check out what it was that I sketched, how the design is coming up. So now that the sketch is here, we're gonna go to InVision Studio and start working on the actual design of the app. Okay, so we are done with the first screen, and as you can see, it's a very simple design, heavily inspired by Apple's TV app, but I wanted to make the colors a little bit more interesting. I think it pops a little more. But anyway, I'm not a designer, so this is a developer's design, and tell me what you think. Tell me in the comments if you think that it looks good, looks bad. So now on to the second screen. Okay, so we're done with the first two screens of our app, and I think it looks pretty good. We need to probably add a few more things to this area here, more information about the show and stuff like that. But overall, I think it's how it's gonna look like. And oh, there's a little error here. It's trending, not new shows, because that's up here. Okay, good. And as I told you in the last video, you can preview here. So this is kind of what it would look like. If you tap here, it will do the animation. If I go back, it goes back. And if I add to my shows, it goes to the other screen here, and vice versa. But overall, I think that's what it's gonna look like. And throughout this week, I'm going to do this process again for the rest of the app. There are a lot more screens that would be just boring for me to show the whole thing here. Actor pages, the My Shows section, the section where you're gonna check off like what you watched, what episode you're on, what's the next episode that you have to watch for that show. So I'm gonna go through all that, and on the next episode we are going to start to actually build the app. We're gonna start coding, we're gonna set up our project, we're gonna take a look through the API and start the actual app. So let me know below in the comments what you think, if you think it's looking good, if it's not, if your process is different than this. As I said, I'm not a designer. The best thing to do would be to work alongside another designer, but I wanted to show the whole process, so that's why we're doing this way. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you like this video, if you're liking this series, hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.